Good afternoon, grade 9. How are you doing? Hope you are fine. Today we're going to continue revising geometry. Today we're going to start number 7. Describe the effect of each change on the area of the given figure. The base of the triangle is tripled. Tripled means multiplied by 3. Tripled means multiplied by 3. So, to know the effect that happened, I must first get the old area, then I will get the new area after the base is tripled. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to half base multiplied by height, which is equal to half multiplied by base, which is 10, multiplied by height, which is 5. Half then is 5, and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And don't forget to write the unit, which is inch squared, because I am calculating the area, and when I am calculating the area, I must square the units. So now the area is 25 inch squared. Let's try to triple the base. Tripling the base would make the base is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. So the new base here is equal to 30. So let's try to get the new area and see what happens. Area is equal to half base multiplied by height, which is equal to half. The new base is 30 multiplied by the height, which is 5. Half 30 is 15. 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. As you see the relationship between 75 and 25, 75 is 3 times as 25. If you don't know what is the relationship between 75 and 25, you can divide 75 by 25. If you divide 75 by 25, you will get 3. So 25 multiplied by 3 is equal to 75. So as I tripled the base, also the area will be tripled. So I'm going to write here the area also will be tripled. Okay. Okay. The radius of circle G is multiplied by 1/4. So first I'm going to get the area of circle G. What is the formula of the circle of the area of the circle? It is equal to pi r squared. Pi r squared. pi r squared. What is the value of pi here? The value of pi is 3.14. 3.14 multiplied by the radius r squared. The r here is 20. 20 squared. So when I calculate it, it will be 1,256 kilometer squared. Okay, the radius is multiplied by 1/4. So let's multiply the radius by 1/4. So the new radius r equals to 20 multiplied by 1/4. Something wrong here happens. So it is equal to 5. When the radius is multiplied by 1/4, it will be equal to 5 kilometers. So let's calculate now the new area when the radius is equal to 5. Now the area will be 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 3.14 multiplied by 5 squared. So it is 3.14 multiplied by 25. It is 78.5. Yep. When you divide the old area 1256 by 78.5, you will get 16. So what is the relation between 1/4 and 16? What is the relation between 4 and 16? 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So 4 squared is 16. So what happened when the radius is multiplied by 1/4? The area is multiplied by 1/4 squared. The area is multiplied by 1/4 squared. When I divide the old one by the new one, I got 16, but I didn't get 4. If I got 4, so the area is also multiplied by 1/4, so it will be easy. But I got 16. What is the relation between 4 and 16? 4 squared is 16. So I will write the area is multiplied by 1/4 squared. Okay, let's do the second one. Okay, number 8. There's something wrong in the program today. I don't know why it's doing like this. Okay, a point is randomly chosen on PS. PS is the whole line. Fill in the blanks and find the probability of each event. Fill in the blanks and find the probability of each event. Before doing anything, I have to calculate all the length or all the total of PS. Why? Because I will use it. Because to find a probability of any point on PS, I must know the total of PS. This is the automatic or direct step I must do to find PS, the total. So PS is equal to what? PS is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So the total of PS is equal to 18. Okay? Because I will use it in answering all the questions later. So the point is on QR. QR. So I'm going to put the measure of QR over the total length. So the measure of QR is what? The measure of QR is 4. And the total length of PS of the whole line is 18. So down I'm going to write 18. So this is how I write the probability of find a point over any line. If I am talking about QR, so I'm going to write the length of QR over the total length. Okay, B, the point is on PQ. So the length of PQ is 8. So I'm going to write 8. What is the total length of all total? The total is PS, which is 18. Okay, the point is on RS. RS is 6. And the total is 18. The point is not on RS, not on RS, not on RS, so it is on PQ and or PQ or QR. PQ or QR, so I'm going to add the value of PQ and the value of QR, which is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. And the total is 18. If I want to simplify here, it will be equal to if I want to simplify, let me take a copy from this fraction. Okay, if I want to simplify 4 and 18, 4 and 18, so I can divide only by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, let me simplify here. 8 and 18, so I will also divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay. 6 and 18, I can divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 and 18, I can also divide by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now I simplified. The last question that we have here in geometry is number 9. We have the total number of degrees in a circle is 360. Use the spinner to find the fractional probability of each event. as is mentioned here that the total number of degrees in a circle is 360. The total number is 360. So any angle I'm going to choose, it will be over 360. So A, the pointer landing in region D. Region D here I have 60 degrees. So I'm going to write here the fraction as, let me write it here. I'm going to take this one here. D is 60, and the total, I'm going to write it in the denominator, which is 360. Okay. The pointer landing in regions B or C. B or C, or means and. I'm going to add. So B or C. B, region B, I have 30. Region C, I have 90. So I'm going to write here in the numerator 30 plus 90 is 120. And down in the denominator, I'm going to write the total. The pointer not landing in region A. I have two ways. I can write 30 plus 90 plus 60 over 360, or I can exclude region A from 360 because the total is 360. So I can exclude the measure of angle A from 360 and write the total down. 360 minus 180 is 180. Okay, girls, now we're done from revising the geometry. Hope you got it, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.